Platte Valley was founded by Kearney resident Dan Nye in about 1956. Dan went to school and came back to Kearney, and we were the first specialties, so to speak. As internists were considered specialists at that time. After that, the group grew and became more prominent in the area and attracted patients from all over central Nebraska because we were the specialists at that time.
Platte Valley Medical Group has been growing along with the medical community. It has provided excellent health care over the years to the community. It's been a steadfast employer. Platte Valley Medical Group has been important to the community from the standpoint of not only delivering top-notch health care, but also being involved in the community itself.
Well, it certainly is a validation of the success of Platte Valley Medical Group to be around that long. And certainly it's a demonstration of the value of membership to the Chamber. Just as the origins of Platte Valley Medical Group prove that individuals coming together can go farther together, that's one of the strengths of the Kearney community, or any community for that matter. And that vehicle that allows that to happen really is the Chamber of Commerce, especially for businesses and small businesses. So it's been mutually beneficial for both Platte Valley and the Chamber.
You know, you're welcomed with open arms, and you get to start your career, and they gave me the opportunity. So that's probably my most memorable moment. I think as we have grown service lines and provided new opportunities for care in Kearney, it's been exciting through my career. And I think being part of developing Kearney Regional Medical Center and moving to this campus was probably the highlight of my career.
It's when we dedicated the medical office building adjacent to Good Samaritan Hospital. Bob Carey, then the governor of Nebraska, was there. I got to meet him. And of course, my dad, being mayor in town, we had met all the politicians, shall we say. And that was really a memory that will stick in the back of my mind forever.
How we leverage our technologies in order to care for patients that can't physically come into our location is going to be key, and how we merge that with our vision of healthcare in the future is really going to challenge us to kind of remap our brains a little bit from top to bottom.
Well, the future for Platte Valley Medical Group is the sky's the limit. I think with our development of Kearney Regional Medical Center being part of this, and the growth trajectory of Kearney Regional Platte Valley, I do think the sky's the limit. With our new relationship with Brian, it's going to give us even more of an opportunity to deliver new service lines here and continue to provide top-notch medical care close to home for Kearney and the surrounding areas.
I'd like to thank everybody from the city of Kearney to the citizens of Kearney to those in surrounding areas for their support of our medical group, our medical practice, and also aiding us in our expansion efforts over the course of time.
The founders have to be the ones that get the pat on the back. They had the vision of growing this group and bringing new service lines to Kearney and filling needs that the community needed.
Well, obviously we got to thank the patients. Patients vote with their feet, and they continue to choose us, which tells us we're doing the right things. Our wonderful physicians, our providers, our nurses, our staff, all have created the optimal environment of care, and they treat patients as they would like to be treated. So they're the reason for our success.